Okay. John and two friends are going out for pizza for lunch. They split one pizza and order 3 drinks. The pizza comes to $12. They spend a total of $16.95. Find the cost of one large drink. So we could say one pizza at $12 plus 3 times the amount of a drink. 3 times whatever the cost of a drink is needs to equal $16.95. Okay? $12 pizza plus 3 times the number of drinks. $16.95. So let's say subtract 12 from both sides, and we get 3 times the amount of a drink, so there's 3 of them, is equal to 4.95. And then when we divide by the coefficient, we get D is equal to, and let's do the division over here, $4.95 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 once. Bring down the 9. 3 goes into 19 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Bring down the next number. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. And the decimal goes straight up, so we get $1.65 for one drink. Done.